Hello everyone, so we are going to continue from where we ended, CH110, balancing the redox reaction. So we can start. So step 6. So step 6, what you have to do is that you have to equalize the number of electrons gained to the number of electrons lost. So how do you do that? So we are going to rewrite the same equations of reactions. So that is 6 electrons plus 14 ions there plus Cr2 or 7 negative 2 producing 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Just put them in brackets, and then you also write the second one, H2O plus HNO2 producing NO3 negative plus C, 4 plus 3 ions there plus 2 electrons. So you put them in brackets. So what you're going to do is that you're going to swap the number of electrons in each of reactions. So this 2 is going to be multiplied with the first of reaction times 2, and then those 6 electrons going to be multiplied with the other one. So what you're going to do there, you're going to multiply. So that 2 should be multiplied with everything in the bracket there, and then also 6 should be multiplied with everything in the brackets. So when you multiply 2 to 6 there, you're going to obtain, that is 12 electrons plus 28 hydrogen ion plus 2 Cr2 or 7 to produce 4 Cr3 plus 14 H2O. So from there you also multiply 6 with everything inside the bracket. So you're going to get 6 H2O plus 6 HNO2 there, 6 NO3 ions plus, that is 18 there, plus 12 electrons. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to cancel what is common. So you're having 12 electrons there, also you cancel with that one. So from there, to answer your first question, you're going to write 1. So to answer your first reaction, where they are saying write the balanced oxidation of reaction, and then what you're going to do is that in part 1 we said the half reaction that was undergoing oxidation is this one. So now what you are going to do, you are going to compare each electron, so each atom to an atom. So 6H2O plus 6HNO2 producing 6NO3 ions plus 80 positive, like that. So if you start with the hydrogen, that is 6 times 2, you are getting 12. 12 plus 6 hydrogen, that is 18. Also this side you are having 18, and then you come to oxygen, that is 6 plus that times that 12, that is 18 for what? Oxygen. If you multiply 6 times 3, that is 18. Also nitrogen 6, nitrogen 6. So it means that you have balanced in oxidation, you have balanced the oxidation of reaction. So we go to the second one, where they are saying write the balanced reduction of reaction of the equation above. So to do that, we said the equation that was undergoing reduction is this one, that is on top. So you are going to write, to rewrite first the half reaction, which is 28H plus 2 Cr2 O7 to negative 4 Cr3 plus 14 H2O, and then you just start counter checking the number of each atoms. So they are having 28 hydrogen, so 2 times 14, that is 28. So 2 times 2, 4, there 4, that is 7. 7 what? Excuse me. So that is 2 times 7, you are having 14. There you are having 14 atoms of oxygen. So it means also the second one as what? As balanced. The second half reaction as also what? Balanced. So we proceed where they are saying now, write the balanced overall reaction in basic medium of the equation above. So to do that, what you are going to do is that you are going to combine these two what? These two half reaction. So I'm going to write step 6, I mean step 7, step 7, combine 2 half reaction. 2 half reaction. So when you combine, you're going to obtain 28 plus 2 Cr2 O7 2 negative there plus 6H2O plus 6HNO2 to produce, you just combine them together, reactant with the reactant, product with the products. So that is 4Cr3 plus 14H2O plus 6NO3 plus what? 18H plus. So now from there, writing like this. So if they told you to balance in acidic medium. So it means that you can end here in acidic medium. Now the question is stating us to find what, or to balance it in basic medium. So you have to add hydroxide ion to each side. So you're going to add 28. Since you're having 28 hydrogen ion, you're going to add 28 OH this side plus 28 hydrogen ion plus 2C R2O 7 negative 2 plus 6H2O plus 6 there, producing 4CR3 plus 14 H2O plus 6 NO3 plus 18 H plus the 28 hydroxide that you added that side, 28 OH negative. So now when this hydroxide react with what, hydrogen, they're going to form 28 H2O plus 2CR2 or 7 negative 2 plus 6 H2O plus 6 HNO2 4CR3 plus 14 H2O plus 6NO3 ion. Now here you have to be very careful. So I'm going to show you the interesting way of doing it. So we are having 18 H plus reacting with the 28 hydroxide there. The fact is that you are going to obtain water. Now what you are going to do is this. The water that you are going to obtain should carry 18. So 18 H2O. Now to find the hydroxide that remained, what you are going to do is that you are going to subtract 28 minus 18 OH. So when you subtract it, they are going to get 10 hydroxide. So 10 hydroxide. So it means that these things that are supposed to be there. So plus what, 18 H2O plus what, 10 hydroxide. Now from there you're going to eliminate what, water, H2O. So you're going to cancel, 14 will go, and then from there you're also going to eliminate 28. You're going to remain with the 10. Now one thing that you should bear in mind, when you add 10 plus 6, you're going to obtain 16, and then so when you add, so when you eliminate or subtract 14 from 28, you're going to obtain there 14. Sorry by mistake. So from there what you're going to do is to add that 6 plus 14, which is 20 molecules of what, water, and then you're having 18 there. So 18 goes, so 18 you have to remove it. So 18 from the 20 molecules of water, you're going to remain with what, 2 molecules of water with now 2CR2O7 negative plus 6 HNO2 to produce 4Cr that plus 6NO3 negative plus what? 10 hydroxide. So if you counter check, so it means that you have balanced in what? Basic medium. So this is our last question. So please don't forget to share and subscribe. So see you in the next video that I'm going to upload.